about me, Shem, I will talk and talk and talk. Yo, I guess just a Shem. Oh.
Welcome back to DIY Yolande. My name is Yolande, and what we do here is we empower women to update their spaces while using power tools, but on a budget. In today's video, I share with you one of the uses that I have for my Ryobi heat gun around the house. So a heat gun, I know a lot of people will use it while we're building something, DIYing and stuff. But I think I just wanted to share with you today other uses that you can use your power tools around your home so that they have multiple functions. I have shared on my Instagram, I insert a brush. I'll share a picture over here where I insert a brush to help clean my shower. That is another usage that a drill can do. But in today's video, as I mentioned, we are using the Ryobi heat gun. The most common usages for a heat gun is thawing frozen pipes during winter. Thank God we live in South Africa, we don't have to deal with that. But you know what, but the way global warming is set up, anything is possible from now on, child. Anything is possible. Stripping paint and old wallpaper, removing flooring and upholstering, or even repairing furniture. What I'm going to use my heat gun for today is one of the most tedious tasks when you've gone to the store to make a couple of purchases. Yes, honey, instead of you soaking that product in that soapy water, just grab your heat gun and melt it away. Let me not tell you how to use a heat gun in your home. Let me rather show you. One thing about me, sis, I will whip out my power tool to make my life around my home easy and convenient. And you should too. So I'm sure everyone hates dealing with labels like these. And yes, I do know dumping it in the water, in warm water with soap and peel it off, that works. But if you got a heat gun and then you just heat the corner and if you got a heat gun, sis, this is what you get. Do comment down below if you would be interested to seeing which other ways I use my heat gun around my home. And as I always say on this channel, guys, don't forget DIYing has to be fun, and most importantly, practice does not make perfect, it makes improvement. And don't forget, power tools have no gender. See you next time. Peace.
Here are some bloopers.
Do let me know if you would like to see how I use a heat gun. Oh, hey, 𝙊𝙗𝙤𝙤𝙨𝙨. Hey.